It just look like guns from Call of Duty.
They are. Everybody probably crowds around for the pistols. That's what most people want. Just a handheld.
I feel that.
It's dope and expensive.
How much are these?
1,000.
1,000. There's some nice guns though.
Comes with the case.
But this is a nice one right here.
That's hard. Hard as fuck.
That look crazy.
I bet this is tax. Oh, that's not even that bad. 780
Not bad.
for the design.
You actually think about getting one?
Yeah, no, for sure.
I got the shanks right here. Ding.
Those are the ones that you keep like this, bro.
Huh.
You know what I'm saying?
That one is hard, bro. I really like that one.
Yeah, that's dope.